Hi, welcome to the virtual open house for 50 Rolling Lane, Sudbury, Massachusetts. While this will not replace a true walkthrough, it's a good place to start. So I'd like to show you around the house, and if you're interested, we can certainly set up a personal appointment to show you the house. This is a beautiful 3-bedroom, multi-level house, always maintained and owned by one family who raised 3 kids here. It's in a great neighborhood and on a magnificent piece of land, almost an acre. As you enter the front door, you'll see the living room, working fireplace, door to a screened-in porch, and here you can see the other way, looking at the nice door and a stairway up to the bedroom area. Behind where I'm standing here, you'll see a dining area and a block out where the kitchen is. The floors are all hardwood. The windows have all been replaced. All of the walls have recently been painted and the house has been refurbished. The fireplace adds a beautiful level of comfort to the living room, and you see that door goes out to the screened-in porch. The dining area has a beautiful window to the backyard and an entrance into the kitchen. The kitchen is bright, has electric burners and a gas oven, and is well lit. The kitchen also has a door out to the backyard and the deck, which you will see shortly. This is the screened-in porch, which is off the side of the dining room. Great for enjoying those lovely Sudbury fall, winter, spring, and summer days. And it overlooks the backyard and a privacy fence. Those stairs that you see near the front door lead up to the bedroom area. Let's go up there. First door on the left as you head up is the full bathroom. The bathroom has a nice one-piece enclosed shower and tub. Down the hall is bedroom number 1, perfect for a kid or other family member. Nice full-size closet. The second bedroom is in a corner with 2 nice windows. Again, the windows have all been replaced, and well-lit room. Full closet in that room as well. Down the hall a little further, you will find the master bedroom. Again, back corner, 2 beautiful bright windows, nicely done, all hardwood, all repainted. And then also off the master bedroom is a half bath, which also has a window and is well lit. Headed downstairs, we go down to the bottom level, which is off the kitchen. This is a really nice family room, great for TV, all redone, new walls, new paint. Here you can see it looking from the other direction. Through that doorway, you see a door to the outside, which is great for kids to come in from the outside, come into the mudroom, laundry room right there, where the washer is and the sink. The dryer is in the basement. I'll explain in a minute. And also off that little room is a half bath to use downstairs. Down from that floor is the full basement. It is unfinished, but it could be finished. It's never had water in it. It's dry. It's got the furnace, hot water heater, and it has a dryer in there in the corner, because the dryer is a gas dryer and there was gas downstairs and water upstairs for the washer. They could be put next to each other. Now we go outside. In the back, behind the house, is a full deck. You can see in the distance at the end of the house was that screened-in porch. And then looking the other way, a huge, magnificent landscaped yard. There's a shed back there, which has water and electricity in it. It's great for storing garden tools and such. The yard has a sprinkler irrigation system to keep it green, and you can see that in the summer it is very green and very pretty. Here's some views of the house from the backyard. Plenty of room to play in the backyard and as well as in the side yard, which is also wide open with just some trees and some beautiful planting as well. So that's our quick view. A few other details that you should know is that it does have central air, central gas heat, an electrostatic air cleaner on the furnace, an irrigation system in the yard, and a septic system that was just replaced and was designed for 4 bedrooms, even though there are only 3 in the house. So if at some point you decided to add on, it is set up for that. The roof is about 10 years old. The systems are all in excellent shape. There's also an extra long garage, plenty of room for storage and for the car. And the location is ideal. You're at the end of a cul-de-sac, at the end of a cul-de-sac in a very family-oriented neighborhood. We'd love to show you if you're interested, or if you want to see more pictures, you can visit the website as shown or search for it at homeinsudbury.com. If you're interested, please give me a call. You can reach me at 781-856-8034 or email me at ed@homeinsudbury.com. Thank you for your attention, and I think you would love this house, so please give it consideration. Bye.